Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 1st of June 2017. And first of all, guys, I'm going to talk about the deception today. There was a lot of deception today in the market, and I was really not expecting. But I was expecting some tricky moves in the first session of the day, and that's why when I have sent the signals report to my subscribers, I have provided them with caution that today you need to trade very carefully because I'm looking at the things quite differently. And it was, you can say that it was just a symbol in my mind that there will be something going to happen today, and actually it happened, and we have seen very bad deception today in the market. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about the profitable day trades of the day. So first of all, I'm going to start with Euro USD, and luckily Euro USD has not provided us with a loss. I'm going to take you to the signals report. That's the signal report in the morning that I sent to my subscribers in the morning. I was having a bearish expectation, and guys, you can clearly see that above the just below the overbought levels, the market started getting a rejection. It was going down, and even hourly candles were closed below the dotted blue line. So scalping was on Euro USD, and then it went down, and later on we have received a hammer, and then it started a slight bullish momentum. But overall, guys, I am recommending not to trade today because it was 1st of June, and that's why you can say that normally market movers plan to do something really different on the first day of each month. Anyways, guys, the next trade, yes, that was a buy position because I have supplied the bullish signal to my traders in the morning. Let me show you the trade here. That was my signal to stay bullish on New Zealand USD. However, it's still in a range, and it has given me a loss here. So I was expecting the market to go up, and even if you look at here, hourly candles were closed above the dotted blue line. So the possibility was on that time that it should go up, but however the market still make a downward move, and still if you look at the figures here, it's giving a downward pattern, and even we are getting a dodges here, but not clear at the moment. But if you look at the 4-hour chart, we are downward, but today we were expecting a bullish trend from this level, and it did not happen till now. Maybe it is possible that in the later night hours that this signal stay valid and New Zealand USD can go up. But right now, overall, I'm telling you, it's not a safe day for trading because totally the market has worked against the technicals. It has not followed the technicals, so be careful with the market today. And maybe we can expect such type of movements today, tomorrow also, because you know that tomorrow is Friday, and you know that Friday is normally a market movers day, so we need to be very careful tomorrow, because this is the we have also received a sign from market movers today that they are just deceiving us with a lot of trades. Okay, another loss is on Great Britain Pound USD today. I am on a chart here. First of all, I'm going to show you the signal. I have supplied the bearish signal from 128617 level. It was going bearish on that time. So guys, basically you can look at here, it was going bearish, but suddenly you know that it has it started gaining upward momentum that wasn't expected. I'm going to take you to the 4-hour chart. Now guys, look at here. I'm just going to explain you that how it has not followed the technicals today. Okay, now guys, look at here. You know that we have taken a complete advantage last week by taking the buy positions on Great Britain Pound USD. Everything was pretty fine for taking the buy positions in the last week, but today, look at here. From the top level, market was getting a rejection, and look at here, we have a hammer here, and this hammer has appeared after a sweet upward trend. So whenever we have chances like this, even this candle can also be called as a hammer, so that were giving us a signal that today Great Britain Pound Great Britain Pound USD should move up, but it should move down, because you know that I have supplied the bearish signal in my signals report. But look at this candle. This candle has made a very a bad bullish candle here, which wasn't expected, and that's not the normal rhythm of the market. If you look at the complete pattern from here to here, you can see that the market was completely following a downward trend, and that is why I have also supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. But this candle has worked really bad, and it has suddenly moved up, and right now if you look on the 4-hour chart, now you can see that it looks like that the bearish pattern is started, but on a 4-hour chart, maybe this candle can close bullish. So this is somewhere in a very confusing zone, because even the bearish pattern hasn't started yet, and we are quite confused in the middle that after a downward trend we have a sudden buy candle on the chart, and that's confusing us. And maybe this is going to just make a bearish wave, bearish tail here. So look at here, look at the previous candle, it has made a tail. So maybe this candle will first make the tail and then it will go bullish. And right now I'm not suggesting anyone to trade Great Britain Pound USD, because it would be not less than speculation. It's out of the technicals at the moment, and be careful with the Great Britain Pound USD. Just avoid the trading for today. Maybe tomorrow the market can settle, or maybe it's possible that we also expect such momentum tomorrow. Okay, AUD USD, that was fine for some period of time in the early session of the day. You know that that's a buy position taken, and if my subscribers have taken a trade on an early time, that when I have supplied the signals before the London session, it was going bullish, and I have supplied the bullish signal. So now look at here. Everything was going pretty fine. Even hourly candle was closed above the dotted blue line, and this trade was taken when the market was making a bullish momentum. Even we have received a buy signal from the scalper just above the oversold level. The market was sweetly going bullish, and this pattern is called a very strong bullish pattern. But suddenly, guys, look at here. That's not. I mean, that was really hard to predict that it's going to be. To have a downward move from this level, that wasn't expected. And now I'm going to take you to the 4-hour chart. So guys, basically it should have gone up, but it has been down. That wasn't really expected, because it was already down, and today it was a day, because if we talk about the technicals of the day, then technicals of the day on AUD USD we're talking about the bullish trend. But however, the market is again down, but that was a lucky trade that was traded in the early session of the day, but later on the market is down. Still, it's in a confusing zone. Be careful with AUD USD at the moment. At last, I am going to talk about USD Canadian dollar sell position is taken, and the same it was advised to the subscribers in the morning with the bearish expectations. You can see here that from the top level, the market received a rejection. Scalper has provided you on this bearish candle that the market should go down. It went down, and later on hammer appeared, and now it has moved up. Okay, now guys, you can clearly see that hourly candle is closed above the dotted blue line. Now there are a lot of chances that this candle will be closed bullish, but what I'm telling you is that look at here, that was the possible rejection for the market, and today again the market is unable to beat that point, and it is strike back from this level. But right now it's making a bullish pattern, but it does not mean that you people are going to take a bullish trade, because we have a immediate resistance at 135,129. So be very careful with trading today, because maybe it's possible it will again get a rejection and it will be again down. So picture isn't clear at the moment, and I'm now going to talk about the rest of signals. Great Britain Pound JPY hasn't taken a U-turn today. It has moved up, and USD CHF not worked as predicted, and moreover USD JPY, it has went up, and I was expecting a bearish trade. And guys, now I think you people must realize that why I have supplied this method of taking U-turn in my signals report. For example, let's say I was talking about USD JPY. So for example, I was bearish, but the market breaks the entry. You people know that when the market breaks the entry, then it does not mean that you are going to trade on that pair. You will only trade that pair when it will break from above, when the market goes up, and then if it breaks the entry Tetra 195 from above, then only you will take a sell trade. Otherwise there is no need to trade that pair on that time, and you can simply skip that pair. This is the only reason I have supplied the signals report in the there is a video inside the signals report, so that your funds should be safe. If any of the pair does not follow the technicals of the day, then you can simply skip that pair, and you should wait for the next day report, and hopefully you know that overall we do very extremely well with the signals. But today it was a bad day, and I'm not suggesting anyone to trade further, and hopefully the things will be settled tomorrow, and we will again trade tomorrow. Moreover, guys, I think if you talk about the trading system, it has worked pretty fine, like it's working on USD Canadian dollar, and I have shown you on other pairs. So guys, we will update the next video tomorrow, but overall, if you want to get this trading system, if you are looking to register to my Forex Signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my lessons or request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then please send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. Like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.